We can't wait for you to meet Lewis, who loves mechanics, but quickly realized aviation offers a deeper challenge. At AIM, he learns from instructors with decades of real-world experience, bringing textbook lessons to life. With industry-aligned training and pathways into top aviation companies, Lewis knows firsthand that expert mentorship truly can shape a student's future. Let's take a look.
Thanks for having me, Alex. High school came and went faster than expected. Suddenly, you're in the so-called real world working a minimum wage job and realizing you need to study something if you want real options. The hard part is figuring out what. And if you weren't a huge fan of high school like me, you already know traditional college is not the path either. That's why I chose AIM. I've always been into mechanics and physics, starting with cars, but aircraft pulled me in fast. The level of complexity, the types of aircraft, the amount of engineering involved, you can spend a lifetime in aviation and never know everything. And that's something I look forward to. What makes AIM stand out is the instructors. They've all held airframe and power plant licenses for years, sometimes decades. And they don't just teach from textbooks. They teach from real experience, solving real problems, and working on real aircraft. Every 5 weeks, you change instructors, which means completely new perspectives, new experiences, and learning new parts of the industry. You also learn the social side of the job, the long-term career path, and how the industry works. I'm currently going through onboarding of Signature Aviation, where I'll be starting as a ramp agent. I plan to move to the mechanic side once I earn my certifications, but none of that would have been possible without AIM. AIM took my passion and helped it grow. The knowledgeable instructors and focused training truly let you master each topic. I've heard people say your A&P license is really your license to learn, and that mindset will stay with me for life. I'm grateful for AIM for setting up the foundation of my life. Alex, back to you.
Lewis, your passion for learning and your respect for experienced instructors shine through. AIM's rotating faculty model gives students multiple perspectives, preparing them for the realities of the field. With Signature Aviation already on your horizon, your career is taking off. Congrats, Lewis. Take care.